last night there was a flood in school. There's a lot of destruction that occurred. Water has entered the classes. School books were destroyed. The laboratory, the chemicals, in my office, the machines, the accounts office, the documents, the machines, the computers, our printer for printing our examination, our fish pod. We have lost over 1,000 fishes. We had a similar situation in 2017, but it was not as serious as of this year. So we are appealing for well-wishers to help us construct trenches that will prevent water overflowing in the school, and also maybe to replace some of the books, to replace facilities like printers, laptops, and even some chemicals in the laboratory, so that we'll be able to start our school in January well.
Huku tumekuwa na shinda kubwa sana ya maji vyenye ilikuwa imefanya floods. Kwa hivyo tumeathirika sana. Kama iko uwezo wote ili tunaweza saidika shule iweze kuendelea na masomo yake Januari, kwa sababu huku hatuna vitabu vyote vimeingia maji. Kwa hivyo tungeomba serikali yetu tukufu ione venye inaweza kutusaidia kwa hii shule, kwa sababu tumeathirika vibaya sana.